my goodness! The sweet candy near the bag is right in front of me. But Mommy, oh Mommy, it fell down. Let me quickly go from the side and pick up the sweet candy near the bag. Wow, here it is, the sweet candy. But it's only one. Let me quickly look for the rest of the candies. Who knows? That naughty Sam might have stolen all my candies and hidden them in his bag. Oh Mommy, what is this? I can't see any candy in here. Now I'll have to look for my candy somewhere else. I'll check in Thomas's car because Thomas is still sleeping peacefully in the car. Let me quietly open the door. Oh my goodness, here's my candy. Let me quickly grab them. Now I'll search for more candy in the trunk of this car. Oh Mommy, what is this? It's locked. Let me hurry and open the front door, take the car key, and unlock the trunk. Oh my goodness, here are the rest of the candies. I found all my candy.